Chew. Why? Why did I decide to put exams on in the summer? Oh my god. Oh, I have so much to do. I can't do this right now. I really can't. God, there's supposed to be quiet. I can't distract anyone, but oh god. Oh, sorry. Oh. This is so hard. Okay, stop. Okay, just you can do this. Just don't think about it. Don't think about it. It's fine. It's really not that itchy. It's okay. Just okay. Just read the paper again. Just you can do this. Okay. All right. Doesn't look so bad if you can just keep going. It's okay. God, it's so hot. Okay, just try to breathe. Maybe through your nose. Just take it easy. Okay. Okay, maybe if you can drink some water. No, that's not gonna help. God, it's so. Come on. I really need to finish this. Oh, it's so easy. This should be so easy to stop. God, whoever decided to do this. No. It's okay. You can do this. You can do this. Just pay attention. It's really not that bad. Just it's okay. Oh god. Okay, go back to the question. God, why is it so quiet in here? If it wasn't that quiet, then I could be okay. It's not my fault. I really need to. I'm trying to stop it. I don't want to disturb anyone else. God, I'm disturbing myself enough. I really should be paying more attention to this exam, but oh my god, I really need to. It could be so much better if I can. No, I can't. I can't have anyone looking at me. God, there's so many people and I was trying to pay attention. It's getting so hard. Okay, just try to think about it. Just go back to the paper. Go back to the exam. Just look at the question. Just think about it. It's okay. It's really not that bad. It's okay. Hey. It's fine. No, stop it. I know. God, there's still so much longer to go. Still another hour. I don't know how much longer I can stay here and hold it. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Okay, just go back. You can do this. It's okay. Even that's too much. Even that's. I can't even do that. People turn. I'm trying not to distract anyone. I really don't want to take anyone away from their exam. Oh god. About my own exam. It's okay. This is actually want to sneeze right now. How could I? Would. How good it would feel to do it. Because it's fine. People are starting to leave. I'm already finished. I'm not even halfway there. Fuck. Oh god. There's so much to do. I really can't do this right now as well. Okay. Okay, just stop for a second. Just take a breath. Maybe if I can ask. Excuse me. Sorry. Is it okay if we close the windows maybe for a little bit? Okay. That's okay. Shit. Okay. Apparently it's too hot. It's hot anyway. Or is that just me? Right. Don't see them looking at me. And I know. Okay, just it's okay. Dude, you can do this. It's okay. Just focus. Oh no, I can feel it. It's hard to do. It's right there. God. Maybe if I just hold my nose for a little while, it might stop it. No, it's not. God, what am I gonna do? I really need to finish this. God, you're doing such a good job. You're holding it together. You can do this. Oh God, it's really not that hard. It's okay. But maybe there's a lot of people understand. I mean, plenty of people have hay fever. It's okay. It's plenty of people have it all the time. Okay, just forget about it for now. Oh my God, I'm crying. Because this shouldn't be this hard. Just stop. But it's so. Oh my God. Okay, just go back to the paper. Let's read it again. You can finish this. It's so close. You're almost there. You can be. Oh God. I really can't do this right now. Hang on. I'm. But no. Fuck. Oh. Okay.